يلا بابا سكسي انا ويس مناس You want the food? Yeah.
Bye-bye, Oli. I love you. Alright, give him lots of kisses from yourself. Yes.
Yeah, that thing killed my vibe. That's why I don't stream IRL as much. Because of the network. And people like the IRL shit.
It's fun.
I know when I have my blue capo, I'm telling you.
When you do IRL a lot, it makes the desktop ones, it makes them a bit boring. Because now when you go back, you're like, alright, now I just have to sit here and just
talk.
But it's fine.
The desktop ones are dope if you have like, I see you were doing like the reaction stuff. So like content to slap on screen and react to makes it a bit easier. Why do you eat so much yogurt? It's very protein.
This is the first yogurt you see me eat. You're talking about eating so much yogurt.
I saw a lot of yogurt.
That's not mine, dog. That's for you too. What do you mean, dog?
I thought you coming with the macros.
No.
High protein.
Nah. But I was just talking about it yesterday, though.
Are you still training?
I just got back now, though. And it's such a crazy time to get back because now I'm going to be traveling. So I'm going to go like another month and I'm going.
Where are you going?
UK.
Hey, this guy really wants this thing. Hey, my bro can travel for a dream.
Yeah, bro.
I'm tired. Foot sick. Hey, I can have that, bro. I can't do it.
You started already.
Hell no.
For the fun of it, though.
I can't do it.
You don't enjoy
Let
traveling?
me tell you, like, nah, I don't.
That's one of my favorite parts. I mean, as soon as I land, I don't like the actual travel.
Yeah, I hate that part.
Damn.
I hate it the most.
Yeah, the airport shit.
Being in a plane.
Yeah, it sucks.
You just hate it.
I hate it.
About it.
But I've done it for so long.
When I'm on the plane, I don't mind.
You have to sleep.
No, but also, like, I think people change. Like, as time goes, you change. You develop in someone else. Your reasons change. The things you enjoy. Right now in my life, I really enjoy being home and playing Call of Duty. It's a bad thing, but like for me, if I could find a way to make $1 billion and be home,
that's everyone's dream. I think that's every single person.
For real?
Chilling at the house, make $1 billion. What? Come on, man. That's everyone.
I thought it was just because people like being out and traveling. The only reason I'll travel is because of my wife. Because she still wants to travel and see the world. That's the only reason I'm gonna travel. But me,
I don't like being out there, just walking the street, and get on the bike.
I used to like it.
Oh, okay. You're over it.
I'm over it. It's not that I don't enjoy it when I do it, but it's not something I look forward to. Like, I don't look for more reasons to be out. I don't. I love being home, Joe. It's the best thing.
Rajab was saying that you guys drive there and back.
Yeah, I don't sleep over anymore.
Crazy.
You need to sleep from now on.
Imagine sleeping in Nelspruit though.
Why not?
We love you, Nelspruit. We love you so much.
Hey, Joe, I've done anything for long, Joe. I've been on the road since I was 16.
How many years have you been now?
I'm 36.
30 years.
20 years, yeah.
Do you understand? If the streaming thing could be the one, yo, I'm a Call of Duty streamer full time.
It really can be, though. It really can be.
I think it can.
What's unfortunate is like we're the first wave here in Africa.
That's what me and
That's what's unfortunate. We're the ones opening the gates. Everyone else is gonna have it so much easier after us, because we're the ones bringing people onto Twitch. Now when these other niggas come,
For what?
For the Starlink. What if Elon can find a way to just corrupt those brews? I don't know, this thing you need it. Are Akhafulele Cyril something, Akhafulele Majita Varne Sharp Raw. Because what he wants to do in Africa, in South Africa, is also come with the free internet for the township. You understand? So if our people are able just to
Access.
basically you have SABC One here, yours, that you can switch on at any time. Besides the subscription, the marketing power that you have, having your
Yeah, bro. That's what I keep saying.
like Diamond now is doing it on national TV in Tanzania. That guy has his own channel.
Imagine.
He's got his own radio station and his own TV station. That guy makes the music now. He puts it on his own TV channel and his own radio. Like you can't do nothing. He's basically a political party.
You don't need no one out there. Yeah. Never do another interview ever again.
Yeah.
You just come address your people here.
Yeah, they say no, that's the C is doing what me? She just kept on. South Africa, let me tell you something. These people are lying about me on Twitter right now. James Brown interview was too much.
He was geeking.
Definitely.
Geeking.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much.
But then, do you know that guy is the first black American to own a private jet?
Really?
Yeah.
James Brown.
Yeah. He was too much then, bro.
That's crazy. Squeezing my thoughts.
Ah,
Squeezing my imagination where it's
But
tight.
that's you can just as long as continue.
James
Just
Brown.
make sure let me bring
Tight
the
as
shade.
fuck, boy. If I start making some bad decisions, it's not me, boy. It's this thing.
I hear you.
Holy shit.
You come.
Oh, hectic. Hey, James Brown,
No, 713,000. Or today I'll share by inflation. Oh, my 7 billion.
700K.
Yeah.
USD.
My bro was too much. He was on the jet high out of his mind.
Look at shit.
Flip. Not pin.
I mean, if you're the scissor, it's too.
Do I look like I could be from
You know the
I
interview
didn't
job.
bring the scissors, babe.
I
I
should
look
keep my
good.
mustache.
And that time he just moved his wife.
That's just put these white.
Yeah, man, he's on TV. They're interviewing him about the domestic violence. My bro is smiling. I look good.
I smell good. The fuck make love good.
Be nice.
What is it good?
I can barely fucking move, though. I can't rap. Yeah, boy. Everything's restricted. Balls included.
Hey.
Woo! Oh, shit.
He's a charge that Brown denied.
Yeah. I know
When you just open, yeah? Or close?
No, no, open.
He's a charge that Brown denies. He was released yesterday on $15,000 bond. He joins us from Atlanta to discuss the charges, and we welcome you, James Brown. How did all of this trouble begin?
Living in America.
Nothing wrong
But if
with
you want to
your
take off the
man.
blazer just to sit down,
Nah, I'll keep it. I'll keep it. Might as well get used to it
And all
now.
the charges.
Don't do that, man. Kid? Yo, kid.
It's fine.
I'm telling you.
The shit that's going through my mind right now.
Yeah, exactly. Out there, boy. I would lie. Looks fine, boy.
There's no mirror.
You would have fucked it up in those days.
You think so?
Ah, you would have fucked it up, trust me.
Hold on.
You would have fucked it up still.
You look like you just
Hey, bitch!
bitch, where my money?
If it's absolutely necessary.
It's not reaction. Sure.
I would rather not. If it's not necessary. If you feel like it is, then sure. If you think it's necessary, for sure we can do it.
No, you don't.
How are you, by the way?
Good and you. Nice
Good,
to meet
Junior.
you.
Nice to meet you.
No, you don't have to. If it's if it looks shiny, then we will, but it's fine.
Sure.
It's all good. The lighting covers a lot. Do you want to go? Cassper wants to go look in the mirror. There's a big mirror. You want to come down here?
There'll be one in here, so.
Yeah.
Distrito Suto.
Why are you guys taking this?
I chose the
Yes.
Can I check which ones you'd rather go with?
A film name Stick Back.
Please.
So, you want?
Hi, ladies.
Hi,
How are you guys doing?
very well.
How's the set going?
Extremely good.
Want to say something for my camera? I don't know.
Well, I'm very excited to be here. It's such a privilege. So thank you for having me today.
Same, we're having so much fun.
But yeah. Hi.
Hey!
How are you?
Your turn.
Hi guys, how's it going? We're on the set today of Nancy and Cassper Nyovest. Obviously doing some touch-ups, and I'm super excited.
Gotcha. How's your day going?
Hi, my day is going good. I'm glamming up the models for today's music video. And they are all looking beautiful and stunning with shimmering eyes, and they're ready to rock their booties on the
And she's very
on the
talented.
music video.
Very talented, very talented.
For sure.
She know she my twisty. She know that I got her. Pop my collar, I'm confident about her. And when she be sneaky, I stick right here beside her. She knows the way on me to ride her. Somebody come fight her. Tags in the way, boy, count cash, disappear, move. She ride like moon, something moves. Hundreds on hundreds on hundreds. She stays sweet like honey. Think I'm not no dummy. Name it, I see that I done it.
One hand in the pocket, he said.
That's too good, man.
Maybe you can.
Oh, when this shit gets sticky, I stick to it. Yeah, I stick right there beside it.
Red. Can you quicken it up a bit? Just so you can see a bit more.
Beside it, yes. Right at that. Twist it. She my twinsky. My twinsky.
It's a playback level.
Where's that spin?
I hit that shit. Yeah, that shit was clean, wasn't it?
Oh, beyond. So you're saying for to start the video, I think you have a bit of a dialogue where I ask you like, so what are we looking for? Because you are judging, you are looking for like this video musical.
Okay.
So they were thinking, you asked me, oh, so what are we looking for? And I don't have an answer, so I changed it to I must ask you to what you're
Because
looking
you think
for.
I have an answer.
Yes. You're smarter than
Great,
me.
thank you for the pressure. I appreciate it. Shit. Okay. Alright. So would you say shit like charisma, style, swag?
You
shit
see,
like
I didn't.
That's good.
There's three words more than me. Hey man, pimp name slip back, man. What we looking for? Or do we go all full on character or we just speak proper? You looking for it?
You can say I'm supposed to. Nah, I'm not gonna say that. That's crazy.
No, you can stop it.
But I think we should go full on like character.
Okay.
Like you should, maybe
Like
you should
James-
answer like
James-
that.
James Brown
Yeah.
type shit. I'm looking for swag. Okay, man. Right. Are these actually working? No, right?
So are you recording audio? Oh, there's a boom.
Right, we got a shotgun mic over there too. I see it.
Yeah, this is for the scratch, and then we got real sounds, Daniel.
Let's get a.
Yeah, that's.
Okay, I'll just have to prep my voice.
Yeah, that's sound. Yeah. Prep. Prep.
Look at clap.
You just do some rehearsal.
Dirty motherfucker.
Hey man, we need to agree. Bro, we ain't got it. Trying to find that voice, that tone. Hey man, if we gonna do this, we need to agree, man. What are we looking for? What's the criteria?
Yeah.
African.
That's a good one.
Do you think niggas in like Nigeria used to dress like this?
I see the 50,
The whole world was
55.
influenced. Yeah.
Yeah.
Niger, I mean Niger Oga, bad man this one. In Nigeria, they call me Big Daddy, Big Willie. You understand? What are you saying?
Blank.
I mean Niger Oga. You know Kim Kardashian? Kanye West's wife. They come down Lagos, they show her life. Give her $1 million. She did everything.
Sorry?
What do you want to call this?
She never saw it cash.
Charisma, style, soul.
I need the James Brown music.
Oh, you want to know what that one? Let me bring him out. I'm looking for charisma. I need a woman with some soul. She gotta have some soul in her.
This is just the intro, so
You see, that one is the one. So I'm saying I should ask him as if we were like having a private conversation, but then he's like, because he's coked up.
Yeah.
Coked out of my fucking mind, off my rock.
Something like, hey man, say man, we can't do this. We gotta.
When it's screeching that Cassper sign, so it's like.
I'm looking for just like that. Ah, shit. Okay,
Does the mic pick me up when I'm this low?
Sound?
So I can be there.
Camera.
He's gonna be louder than
Sound speed.
Take one. And wait for me. Zooms in. And 3, 2, slow, action.
Hey man, it's back that man. If we're gonna do this, we gotta agree. Yeah, man, what are we looking for?
I'm looking for swag.
Keep running what you said. Cassper, you need to be louder. Cassper, you need to be louder.
Wait, we agreed that the whole point is for me to be having a private
No, but just a little bit louder.
Aish, man.
Just so we can get it.
Wait, I'm sorry. Aish. This thing is killing me.
Yeah. And
I need to close my eyes.
right on set, please.
Wait, I need. Apparently, this is a technique not to laugh.
Slap yourself.
Okay.
Tell me
I don't know,
when
I'm failing. Woo! Okay, cool.
And 3, 2, 1, action.
Hey man, say man, if we're gonna do this, we gotta agree. What's the criteria? What are we looking for? We need something special.
I'm looking for charisma. Come on, bro. Come on, man.
so good. Come on.
We shouldn't have put that in English.
The James Brown
Yeah,
that's what fucking
anytime you say it. Yo, one more time. I'm sorry. I need to knock you. I'd be a horrible actor.
Okay, camera set.
Alright, cool.
2, 1, action.
Hey man, say man, if we're gonna do this, we gotta agree. Smile. Wait, one more time, sorry.
I'm in character, bro.
Right. We're rolling sound. Quiet on set, ready.
Okay, now we got it.
Got it. Quiet. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Hey man, say man, if we do this, man, we gotta agree. What's the criteria? What are we looking for?
I'm looking for charisma, swag, panache. I need a sister with some soul.
She gotta have soul.
She got to have the body.
I swear I won't do it again.
Man, come on.
One more time.
Just keep it going until I'm all the way on your face.
Yeah.
Fine. I think we can keep rolling. You guys ready? Almost.
Every time you add something new, it shocks me.
Set. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Talk to me, what are we looking for? We gotta agree.
I'm looking for a sister with some soul. I need charisma.
She gotta have soul.
She got to have soul. And she's got to have a body on her. Big shit. Bring them out. I want to see them. We're getting there. We're fine.
That was amazing. Yeah, nice. Let's cut.
Nasty's killing this shit.
We're getting there.
One more. Is this real? Is this product?
Register product.
Yeah.
Is it drinkable?
Yeah, 100%.
That might not be a good idea.
It's just not real art.
It's gonna make it worse.
Yeah, that looks super cool. And that one's very close.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Hey man, say man.
Yeah, that was perfect when you said, bring him out. And I'm going to be on you, and then when I hit you, you said, that's the last line. Sweet. Okay, let's roll this camera, roll sound.
His name is Spank Dead, by the way.
Table, take 2.
I need a name.
Camera set, and action.
Hey man, say man, if we're gonna do this, we need to agree. We need a criteria. Something, we need something special. What are we looking for?
I'm looking for character. I need swag. I need personality. And I need a sister with some soul.
She gotta have soul.
She got to have a body.
That's
She
what
got
I'm
to have a
They gotta
body.
have a body.
Where they at? I want to see him. Bring him out. Bring him out. I want to see him.
Come over here. Ooh, I like that. I see.
I like it. We're good then.
Okay, good. Cut. I'm ready. Let's see one more option. I think that was cool.
That's good.
Happy with all that?
Yeah, happy.
Cool.
Let's see what
Let's
we
do
do.
another option. And then, yeah. So it's really nice to see your reactions when the girls do come out up close like that. So I think at the end of this, we can maybe just.
Yeah, we're going to get you rapping it too.
So, yeah, okay, fine. Then we'll play the track. You can sing, and then you can like discuss at the same time.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, and
you
then
sing
we'll
a bit.
bring
You
the
like.
girls off there. Nipples off there.
Sing. Get.
Actors.
Yeah. I I needed to get the laughs off first.
We're to be actors.
Nah, I'm in character now. I forgot. Change my
Bang
voice.
Daddy and Don Piliato.
Oh, she did thick. I'm talking about. Oh, she gonna get me in trouble.
Ass can swallow up an elephant.
Not a big elephant. A small elephant.
A baby elephant. I like it like that. I like it when you can get in between and feel cuddled.
The thing is, I'm listening to this guy. And now the punchlines are hitting me.
I'm just saying the dumbest shit I could possibly think
But
of.
I'm saying the issue is I'm listening and waiting for the punchline. So when the punchline lands, it lands. I shouldn't be listening. I should be thinking of my line.
I'm acting drunk, but soon enough I'm gonna be so drunk that there's not gonna be an act.
But that's why I said the drinking is a bad idea.
I think it's a great idea.
Let's go up.
What are we doing now? The
We're
reactions?
doing the same thing, but I'm just getting it tight on both of your lines.
So dialogue.
Dialogue still.
Are we going up?
Up, please. Yeah. Stop. So there's just singles on you guys. Flip up on the beginning of it. From the bottom, jibbing up.
From down.
Yeah. Slowly, super slow. Yeah, like from here. Okay, let's mark it.
Copy.
Roll sound, roll camera.
Table 3.
And 3, 2, 1.
Hey man, I'm telling you, man. If she look like she's fed, I need to close her to my bed. You feel me?
Like that. I need her nasty.
That's what I'm talking about.
I need her to cuddle me.
No, let's do this at the beginning, like we did, like, what are we looking for?
first line.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to pick it up from the beginning.
Yeah, exactly, from the beginning. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Hey man, we need to agree. We need to find something special. What are we looking for? What's the criteria?
I'm looking for charisma. I need swag. I need personality. I need a sister with some soul.
She gotta have soul, bro.
I need a soul. I need a body. She got to have a body.
What?
I need to be cuddled up top and down below.
I feel you, brother.
Where they at? I want to see her.
If she look fed, I need closer to her, man. You know what I mean?
I like that one. I like that
Which one? I like the other one.
Look at how she walking.
She look like a music bitch. She remind me of James Brown's backup singer.
Is that two of her?
No.
Is that two people in one boy?
No, great. Let's go back to the beginning. What are we looking for? Let's get the single on.
Yeah.
Jump up, please. Jump up, please. Jump up, please. Yeah, that's good. And set. And 3, 2.
Hey, stand up. Before they bring the girls out, we're gonna agree. What are we looking for?
I'm looking for charisma. I need personality. I need someone who can make me laugh, ha. Someone who can make me cry, boo. I need a sister with some soul.
She gotta have soul. She gotta have soul, brother. If she don't have soul, I don't want her to go.
She ain't got soul. I don't want to go. If she ain't got soul. Let's do another one. Straight into another one. Fuck it, let's do another one.
Okay, I'm going on Cassper. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hey, before they bring these girls out, we gotta agree. What are we looking for? What's the criteria?
Panache. Soul. Charisma. Style. Thickness. All of that.
I need all of that plus a little bit more.
I like her.
You see that one in the gold? I like her a lot. I like her. I'm thinking I'm spending all my money
Hold on now. We ain't got to do all that. I don't have that much money. She can't cook, I don't want to look. If she ain't got soul, I don't want to go. If she ain't got ass, I'm gonna ass.
Brother, if she look like she don't eat, she need to use her feet.
Glistening, glazed up.
She bad.
I'm drunk now. It's getting to me.
Hey man, say man, when it comes to these girls, man.
No, not at all, actually.
I want to see all of them all over the world, man.
The hair still looks good.
That's why I keep the curls, man. Feel
How are
me?
we doing? Very insecure about our acting skills.
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
no, you guys look great on camera.
She said we look great
You're looking great
on camera. She's making it clear on camera.
On camera, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm saying your acting skills.
We trying our best, baby girl. We trying our best.
Over here fishing for compliments. It's bad.
No, it looks really cool.
What's your order?
What'd you say? I'm horrified.
Hey, we got Teddy behind that camera, man. He doing his thing. Big shout
Teddy
out.
sounds like that in real life.
Teddy Pendergrass.
Yeah. That's how he sounds in real life. He's always making me panic because how he speaks. Biting his jaw and shit.
Is he
You ever seen a
telling
nigga
the
eat
truth?
his own teeth, chewing his own teeth?
Stop.
That's him. He's a special breed.
He said stop.
He's like, I'm about to eat all you niggas.
Pause.
This nigga turns into a fucking gremlin in the morning.
Hey Teddy, man, where you been, man?
Been out here.
Been out here?
Yeah, now we out here. How's this?
The real
street
Nazi
life?
nigga.
Yeah.
Where you from?
I'm from Ilovo. Same good.
Ilovo.
Yeah.
I see you at the.
Hey, with the
Oh
silver
yeah.
tooth.
Got this grade 8. High
You hear me?
school.
When it was still cool.
You have cool parents, man. My mom said, fuck that.
Oh no, I didn't ask her. I just went from
Yo, my mom was just like, fuck that.
When you wanted it.
Yeah.
You didn't want one?
I couldn't afford it. I wanted it, but I
no,
couldn't
you
afford
didn't.
it. I always wanted one for 5, but I couldn't afford it. Life
Yeah.
was real. I was paying bills. You niggas was mama's babies. I was already working.
Where?
At home. I was paying bills. Life has been real. Nigga, I've been a stand-up nigga my whole life.
I see some guy showed a video on TikTok he says, I heard a guy saying when I was broke, I used to sleep in my car. He said, nigga.
You had a car.
Where did He says, now tell me, where did you get the money to buy that car? He says, come to Africa.
You don't know poor.
We poor.
Yeah, Africa and India. Like there's real poverty.
Yeah.
Have you seen the India side?
Hey.
Yeah, even
There's a lot of them.
I don't know how they live through that, man. It's crazy. That's the kind of shit you see and you feel extra blessed.
But remember, when it's your reality, it's just your reality. The reason why we recognize it as poverty is because we've been exposed
to
much better. To him, it's his reality, and
it's the way of life.
And maybe one day he'll get out. It's like when you go to your home, it's normal. Like nothing shocks you. It's just how you grew up. Right? You might recognize certain things like, yo, this house is actually small compared to what I remember. Like when I go to my grandmother's house, I'm just like,
Okay, let's mark it up.
How do we
Roll
fit
camera.
in here? But it's just my reality.
3, 2, 1.
Same thing, right?
Lil Mama. I found a bad chick from the south. Lil Mama. Yeah. I found a bad chick from the south. She better, she bougie, she get what she want. She just like her mama, she don't like the drama. She chilling at home and she packing that lunch. I like her fashion and the way that she put it together. Lil Mama too much, Lil Mama too swaggy, Lil Mama too much, Lil Mama too swaggy, Lil Mama too much. I like to spend all my time. She made me feel like I'm a lucky king. I might just give her the wedding ring. When I'm 6, she my medicine. Ooh, baby girl, baby girl.
From the
we doing all of us or just me and you? Just me and you?
Just me, yeah. This one is not gonna hurt. Uh-huh. Trying to.
And you lads can come all the way up to here. You know, on the day. Don't be shy.
Over here.
Yeah. I'll be all the way down. Exactly. And you guys can actually also.
Please do me a favor. Can I just.
Yeah. Correct.
You guys are killing it up there. It's a hard act. Yeah, it's a hard act to follow, man. You have to try to come up with a young routine, you know? This is my boy, Slick Daddy. That's all we got.
We got more than that. The song is like
You didn't do the slide, though.
Huh? We slide. No one must. No.
Maybe there's slide out.
Oh, we.
From behind the thing, I'm telling you.
From here?
From behind.
The close.
Yeah.
Up on the bed, she goes out, she better, she bougie, she get what she wants, she just like a home, but she don't like the drama, she feeling her homie, she drinking the love, I like her fashion and the way that she put it together, the mama too much, the mama too swaggy, the mama too much, the mama too swaggy, the mama too much, I like to spend all my time, she make me feel like I'm a hockey king, I like to give her the wedding ring, baby girl, I wanna show you all to the world, I wanna buy you the finest things, I think your mama just for your birth, your mama too swaggy, your mama too much, 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 your mama
Girls, move in the middle. Girls, move in.
your mama too much,
Too much. Not too much.
she's down on these niggas, she tell her relax, unless you gon' call me, them trippin' Rolex, I buy all the clothes, you don't buy all the bags, say my mama, say if you want the whole thing, she only love you cause you got a fan, you was a star and you live in the mansion, hey, nobody else can relate, but I didn't care, I didn't give a damn, you can go spend all my rents, yeah, you can go spend all my rents, boy, this money been balling out, I got family, nothing, I'll sell it out, I'm gonna come in and burn it, it's time to start, turn like a chibi and water, wow, baby girl, I wanna show you all through the world, I wanna buy you the finest things, I think your mama just for your bird, ooh, baby girl, I wanna show you all through the world, I wanna buy you the finest things, I think your mama just for your bird, your mama too swaggy, your mama too much, 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 yeah. My baby alright, my baby alright, she know she my twisty, she know that I got her, pop my collar, I'm confident about her, and when this shit gets sticky, stick right here beside her, she never wait on me till I
Girls, move in. On the left, girls, move in slowly.
I tell you, all we count cash is a king of rules, you know I like when I'm selling. That's right. She said she like honey, I'm think I'm not no better. Nigga, I see like that. I walk in the house, she grab my body, okay, I love it. She wanna touch like click clack running. Baby girl, I wanna show you all through the world. I wanna buy you the finest things. I think your mama just for your bird. Baby girl, I wanna show you all through the world. I wanna buy you the finest things.
Ross needs to shoot from further back.
Too close.
Let Nasty dance with one of them. Kim. The Kim or Ruth. Fine, we can't see it.
Hey man, say man, if we're gonna do this, we need to agree. What are we looking for? What's the criteria?
I'm looking for character. I need swag.
Swag.
I need personality. And I need a sister with some soul.
You gotta have soul.
She ain't got soul, I don't wanna go. Where they at? I wanna see him. Bring him out. Bring him out. I wanna see him.
Lil Mama, Lil Mama. I found a bad chick from the south. Lil Mama, Lil Mama. Yeah.
She's so bad. I wanna get to know her dad.
That's right. What you got?